I want to show you today how you can edit. You know, maybe there's some settings there that you never use. You can get rid of them. Maybe there's some settings that aren't there that you want to add. I'll show you how to do that. First, with the Samsung, you swipe down from the top right, and here are your quick settings, because you can turn on your flashlight from here. So that's a really handy, important feature to know, or turn it off. You can also turn your Wi-Fi on and off, airplane mode, all of those. How do I know what that is? There's no label. Well, if you just swipe down using that little handle, not only do you see more, but they all have a label on them. I find that very handy. So that's the quick share. So let's say that I want mobile data. See, I'm forever turning on and off Wi-Fi, turning on and off mobile data. So I want mobile data to be up at the top. All you do is you tap the pencil, and then edit. Now I can find that mobile data, touch and hold, and drag it up till it's on the top. So now I tap done and done. And now when I get my quick settings, my mobile data on and off button is going to be right at the top. Now let's say there's one I want to get rid of. This Dex, I never use it. I should probably learn how and use it, but I'd like to get rid of that. And I've heard that there is a ChatGPT button that I could put here. Wouldn't that be fun to have that? Tap the pencil, tap edit. Notice the little minus that appears. So I can find the one that I want to get rid of and just tap the minus. Now it's still available. It's just down here in all the available buttons that aren't on my quick settings screen. And let's see if I can find that. Find the one for ChatGPT. Look at all these. You know, spend some time exploring. You might find some stuff that you really like. I just tap on ChatGPT, and now it is up in my quick settings screen. And if I want to put it up higher, I can touch and hold and drag it up. And done and done. So that is quick settings on the Android phone, how you can see the labels and see more just by dragging down, or how you can edit and remove, move, and add other buttons that you want on Android.